And with that signature, we are now done with the closing. And congratulations.
You're special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
I feel like I look real raggedy right now, but I am, of course, running late. I had a call that I had to get on. They called me later than what I was expecting. So that's a whole thing. So now I'm headed there. Actually, I'm headed to the closest bank that I can find, and I don't care how much they charge me. I just have to get this cashier's check for the amount. And yeah, so I'm like moving. I tried to get dressed for work or whatever too. I'm missing a nail. It's just a lot going on this morning. So let me go ahead and make my way down. All right, the cashier's check has been secured. So we have the cashier's check now. Now we can go take it and sign our lives away. As everyone keeps saying, you're signing your lives away. And I'm gonna FaceTime my mom and dad while I'm there. And Courtney's on his way too, so yay. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Michelle.
I am. There is my baby. Hey! She is the best. Oh my gosh, she is like absolutely the best. Where do I sit?
Right here.
Right there? Okay.
Yes. Then I have this for you.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And you have a little gift bag.
Yo, this is exciting. They are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put them in my new house. So they can kind of die. Oh, is this why you asked me that the other day?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I was trying to fish or something.
Look. No, this is the best. Look what it says on it. It's her own label. I love it.
And you have another little bag in there. Just a little bag. A little bag right there. Just a little.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Look at it. What is it? I love this. Oh my gosh. And
It opens up.
hand sanitizer.
Yes. Cork. Yes, it opens up. It opens up. Yeah. Yes.
I need y'all to see.
And a key.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And then a card. Oh my gosh. You are the best.
Thank you.
And
Just some business cards.
no worries. You guys make sure you go check her out. I was gonna link you anyways. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
It's awesome.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I left my mask. I'm sorry.
Well, I mean, that's all we do.
Okay. I'm okay.
It is awesome.
Yay.
And hand sanitizer, so you know you need that.
Right,
Everybody
all
needs
the
that.
time. Everybody needs that. Everybody needs that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, good. I'm glad you did that 'cause I have a little sign for you to hold and everything.
Yay!
Yes.
We got signage. Yes. I'm here for it. I love it. I think if I didn't me as I pulled up.
Smell the one.
Look how, hold up, we gotta get this picture over here because this is what sold me. I was like, look at her. She is gorgeous.
Oh,
She has to be my relative.
thank you.
That's probably a horrible way to pick somebody to come to your house.
Hey, it worked out.
Right, it worked out.
It worked.
I'm gonna FaceTime my parents
Oh,
so they can
sweet. super excited.
Very much
Oh,
so.
I know that.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Is everybody excited?
Yes.
Thrilled.
Okay. Oh, we're good. I'm gonna take my mask off unless you guys want mask on. What's up with you?
I accidentally forgot mine in the car, but I think we're good.
You guys feel okay?
Yes.
Now the baby's been born and everybody's healthy.
Yeah.
I've been wearing, I have to, wear them around the table. So this is my first clothes without mask on. I'm kind of excited about it. I'm gonna be choking over my words. My name is Stephen Medlock, and I am one of the closing attorneys here at this office. And so I'll be sitting with you for probably the next 30 to 45 minutes. Could be an hour, just depending on how much we need to do, or how much we need to go over. This is your first
It
time home buyer?
is.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How's the process been?
It's been amazing.
Really?
Absolutely amazing.
What's made it so good? Besides the great realtor. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
My mortgage loan officer, everything has been smooth
Yeah.
sailing. Like all the stuff people tell you, this is gonna happen.
Well, I can tell you all that those people say, 9 out of 10 times first time home buyers, especially in this market, they're exhausted by the time they get here. So for you to be where you are, I love that, and that makes me excited.
Yes.
Because I know it's going to be a good 30 to 45 minutes we're going to be sitting in here.
Absolutely. It's
Okay.
my boyfriend.
Okay.
He's coming to.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm Steven.
All right, I'm Courtney, man.
Courtney, nice to meet you. Does anybody want anything to drink before we get started?
She was gonna give me a one. Oh, that's yours. Yeah, I got
Okay.
water. Do you want a water?
All right, very good. Courtney, you want to sit over here? You want to sit by the girl over here? Just,
How you doing?
Oh my gosh, my name's up there. Ah! It's me.
That's right.
This is awesome.
All right, you ready to get
I'm
started?
ready to get started. All right, you guys are about to get started. Look at all that paperwork. Oh my god.
This is the first that I've had of a camera on while I'm doing the closing.
Oh, do I need to turn it off?
No,
Oh, okay.
you're fine. I just now know I gotta watch my language.
Oh no, you're.
Complete sentences.
Please tell him he's fine. He's now a part of the bestie squad, so he's fine.
All right.
All right.
I just want to get a couple of pictures, a couple of videos.
Today's the 11th, correct?
Oh yes, it's
Yeah,
the 11th at 11 o'clock.
Yes.
All right.
Absolutely.
Okay, what do you do for a living, Michelle?
I am a procurement operations analyst, aka procurement manager.
Okay.
That's me.
And how do you like that
I
job?
actually love it.
You do?
It's different. I've been a buyer planner for 10 years, and
Yeah.
then I just got this one in October.
Congratulations.
And, so it's been amazing, honestly. It's different.
And with that signature, we are now done with the closing. And congratulations.
Yay! Wait, I gotta call my mom.
Okay.
Yay! We sold! Hey! Ugh. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Hey, what's up, you guys? So you guys saw me doing my signing, and now I'm just in the house, and we're about to get ready to get started to move everything around, and I'm so excited. I want to give you guys a house tour, but we're actually getting back to paint. We're getting ready to paint. So let me just give you guys a quickie. I still have clearly we just went to the store and bought some stuff. So this is one of the portraits that they left here. Whole thing happened, you guys, with the switching of the keys. My attorney had to get involved with the keys. It was a whole thing, but I'm so grateful for my realtor, which is why you guys are seeing this on Saturday, and I actually closed on Thursday. So anyways, here's the front door. Then over here is the garage door, and you can see the cars are already in here. My car, and then of course Courtney will pull up in a driveway. The house already came with ADT, but I'm actually switching it over to Ring. I will give you guys more details on that system and how it works. I think it's worth it for $10 a month versus I think I was paying $30, $40 with ADT, so that's the whole thing. Here are the windows, and then we have the fireplace and the mantle. So up there on the mantle, I believe I'm gonna put the TV up there. So like when you walk in, you guys can see it. Like I'm just giving you guys the tour. Okay, so we'll keep walking. You guys feel like I should kind of walk that way. So over here is the washer and dryer. They did end up leaving theirs, so that's, you know, whatever. I'll probably I'm gonna switch out the dryer for sure with the dryer I already have, and then I'll probably keep this until I can save up some more money to get the Samsung matching one that I have at the house. So there's that. It needs knobs on the doors. Don't even know why that is. So here we just have like a little closet, and right now what I'm thinking about storing is like our toiletries. Can you guys see this? Like our toiletries and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring the vacuum cleaner back over here. I couldn't fit it on the thing. Here is the bathroom, which I love because it's so big and spacious. Like walking in, here's everything. Like, oh, the bathroom is pretty big. They left that up there, so that's gonna come down too. I still have my apartment right now, so some of the stuff I was like, we'll just do as we do, right? Okay. Here is the master bedroom. Again, they did not get everything out of here. I'm so, it's a whole story. This is probably like the only worst part of my whole like buying a house thing that happened. So they left this here. I don't like it. I wanted to go to the street. Matter of fact, I need them to go pull it. We have some people here to help us paint. So I want them to pull that. And then look what they did too. Yeah, this is awesome. So they left some clothes. Let me turn the light on in here. I'm happy about the light in the closet though. This is about the same size as my closet. If not, I think it's actually probably bigger than the closet I currently have at the apartment. But yeah, definitely left some clothes, a sewing machine. So my mom was like, well, just put it in the bag and then call the realtor and see if they want to get the stuff that they left. So definitely gonna do that. And then here is the bathroom. This is the ghettoest tour that I've ever been on. I've ever showed y'all. Let me turn this because I do not want y'all to see. Ugh, they just did not do a good job with the bathroom. But so I have my repair guy is coming. He's gonna get the bathtub and bathroom and all that stuff in the shape that I want it to be in for myself. There's Bubba. All right, and then here is boys' room. So this room is about to be painted and all of that. I actually was gonna take this one as my office, but then realized that this room was actually bigger than the other room I'm about to show you guys. But I had this idea, so you guys can steal it if you want to, but I was gonna actually put all of my office things into here. So I was gonna make like a little shelving area here for all of my silhouettes. My computer desk could fit in here because that's the IKEA width, and then my chair. And yeah, everything, and all I would have to do is just open this up and then pull it out. And then this would be the perfect, like, whatever. So I did that, but that's not gonna happen. This also has hardwood floor, which is really, really good, especially like when you have kids. So spills and stuff like that, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna do all the painting and all of that. So now, here is the office, and we're gonna paint this office. This is the color, they already had it. They already have the TV mount up there, so that's cool. I'm gonna paint this because one, it just looks horrible. They left a bunch of these, like there was even more on top of there. I had them take it out earlier. And here's the closet, which you can see. I already started putting my Christmas stuff in there. But this is going to be my office area slash guest bedroom. Try to figure out like how we can fit a bed or something in here. That's what I am doing. And that is, oh wait, did I take you guys to the kitchen? I think I started in here and did not take you guys to the kitchen. Let's take you guys to the kitchen. And then here is, wait, did I show you guys the kitchen? Did you guys already see the kitchen? I don't know. But here's the kitchen. So I'm getting ready to start the deep cleaning and all of that stuff, getting everything done. And then we have the backyard back here. that they left that table, that has got to go. Yeah, it's a whole thing. So about to get started with cleaning and stuff. I just wanted to finish up the vlog so you guys could like actually see a little bit of it, of the process. And then I'll be having more videos. Maybe I'll show you guys us painting today, but I'll definitely be having more videos and stuff like that. Home buying, home fixing up. This stuff is gonna go. This is their refrigerator they left. Then they left the stove. Let me show you guys the stove too. Then they left this stove. So this is going to, and then this range will be gone because that'll be a microwave. So I went ahead and ordered those things and they're coming next week. And then I also have like furniture and stuff that's coming. So overall, here we are, and I'm about to get started. I got cleaning and I just got a lot of stuff to do, guys. So let me go ahead. It's already like almost 6 o'clock on a Saturday, and here we are. But you know, like I said, we had time to move. We still have like 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm just pacing myself, making sure we do it right and get it the way that I would want my house to look. So thank you guys so much for following me on this process. I know it seemed like I just kind of like popped up and sprung up and was like, oh, we have this or whatever going on, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. KK, bye.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright.